Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I welcome you all into yet another lecture on Java using Netbeans IDE. In the past few lectures we have been talking about string manipulation or the operations on strings. Right now, today we will talk about manipulation on numbers. So the topic for today is very interesting. The topic for today is how to swap two numbers without using a third variable. So before that, to all my new viewers, I would like to ask them to subscribe to my channel and please comment, share and like my video and also press the bell icon. So let's create a class math manipulation. So let's create the function public static void, or I can say let's first create a class static class int a int b. The name of the class is pair. We can create encapsulations, that is the getters and the setters for this class: get a, get b, set a and set b. So we have the classes a and b methods with the class pair. That means there's private int a, there's a private int b, and we have the getters and setters for that function. Let's create a toString method. Here we are doing what is called as method overriding. What is overriding we will talk somewhere later in new lecture, but right now we are overriding a function which is already defined in some class which is being inherited. So we have created the toString function. We can use the override annotation above this function like this, @override. Now let's create the implementation on what we have to do today. Pair p equal to new pair p dot set a as 1, p dot set b as 2, and now let's print out p. So a equal to 1 and b equal to 2 is printed. Now we have to use the a and b without using any third variable to swap this. So p dot set b, p dot get a plus p dot get b. Now p dot set, now p dot set a, p dot get b minus p dot get a, p dot set b, p dot get b minus p dot get a. Now let's print out p again. So you can see that a and 2 are being swapped. Initially a was 1 and b was 2, and after these operations b has become 1 and a has become 2, so the number is swapped. So we can also we can simplify on mathematical variables directly also, like int a equal to 3, b equals to 4, and then print out a equals to a plus b equals to b to print out this, and then let's swap b equals to a plus b, a equals to b minus a, b equals to b minus a, and again print out this line. So we can see that the numbers are again swapped. 3, 4 becomes 4 and 3. So hope you liked my lecture. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.